what happens when you join HomeFit? When you join HomeFit, first and foremost, you get a consultation call from me directly, personally. I understand all your previous health issues, your current health requirements, and we set some goals. I give you specific instructions based on your body type, your activity level, your previous history, what you should do, what you should absolutely not do in class. This would be your customized blueprint for the HomeFit class. I would say HomeFit is more effective than the gym because it gives you access to workouts from your home and at your own schedule. For the gym, you have to get ready and you have to make some time going to and coming from the gym. Exercises remain pretty much the same. The weights change, of course, equipment changes. But in terms of results, if you are consistent with HomeFit workouts, there should be no difference in the results that you get with HomeFit or at the gym. The best part about HomeFit is that you don't have scope for any excuses. Not only do I go live 4 times a week, all my videos are saved and accessible to all the members all the time. So when you join right now, you already have more than 100 curated, awesome fitness videos waiting for you to be worked out. When it comes to exercising, variety is the spice of life. Every month we have a theme. So for example, this month the theme is cardio, that is fat loss, as well as strength training. So it's themed as dynamo. So 30 minutes of strength combined with 30 minutes of fat loss. Each day is differently themed. On Mondays you may have leg, Wednesdays core, Fridays upper body, and Saturdays is rest, restoration and yoga. This way you don't get bored, all different parts of your body are equally focused upon and you get stronger as a whole. Injury prevention is of prime focus with the HomeFit program. When you join, I study your injuries, your past medical history, and you receive specific instructions with respect to those injuries on how to perform certain movements. I may even ask you to record yourself and send your exercising forms to me so that I can be on top of what you're doing, in spite of the fact that it's a virtual class. Secondly, during the class, I demonstrate how you should and should not do each exercise. I also make specific references to injuries of the shoulder, the lower back, the ankles, the knee, so that those of you who have these conditions modify the exercises accordingly and don't do anything wrong to further increase the injuries. At HomeFit, we believe in one thing. What you don't measure, you cannot manage. We believe in progress tracking. So the moment you join HomeFit, you will receive a progress tracking form wherein you will fill your details like weight, height, waist, etc. But not only that, you will also fill in parameters like how many squats you can do, how many push-ups you can do, how long is your plank and so on. So we also test you on those parameters, and month by month when you fill these parameters and you see your progress, you not only get happy, you also get positively reinforced to work out more. It is very different from the online or YouTube videos available because there the trainer does not know you or your history or even your medical conditions. Here, for every member, I do have a personal consultation call. I understand your current situation, your requirements, your past medical history, and you have specific instructions to address them in the workout plan. For each exercise, I demonstrate a beginner variation, and there is a running commentary on why you should do something and why you shouldn't do something. For example, when I'm showing a push-up, I will show a beginner push-up, I will show a push-up with knees on the floor, and I will show a push-up without knees on the floor. Since you already know whether you are a beginner or an intermediate, you will follow the variation most suited for your condition. The HomeFit program is specifically designed to give busy people like you results with minimum resources, least amount of equipment, and in a minimal amount of time. Time flexibility, progress at your own pace. All you need to do is be consistent and adhere to the program week after week. You will see results in no time and you will be amazed by what you see. This is the best curated personal training experience in a group setting. Do check out the testimonials from people just like you from around the globe to understand the experience of HomeFit and Eat Fit better. So guys, what are you waiting for? Join me live just 4 days a week and be really amazed with the results.